How to send silent messages on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and then go to any conversation. And say for example, I wanted to send a silent message to this person, meaning no sound and no notification message. What you need to do is you need to click to type text and then switch to numbers, and here you need to click on the / icon, and it will bring up this list, this pop-up list that you can choose from. As you can see, it has a lot of features that you can use, such as silent, shrug, table flip, and theme. So go ahead and click on silent where it says send message without a notification. Click on it, and as you can see, it has added a silent icon or a silent code that we can use, and after that you can type in any message that you want and it will be sent with no notification and no sound. Click send, and as you can see, once this person receives this message, it will be no notification and no sound. So that was it for this video. That's how you can send a silent message on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.